with a 3/4-inch brush and Diamond FX Captain Obvious. Paint around your eye and down, lifting the brush on its edge as you go. Repeat this process to the other side. I used a global dagger brush to paint the dolphin fins and tail. With a 1/2-inch brush, paint a heart in the center. I used Diamond FX Unicorn Dream. Now paint some teardrops below the heart like this. I now painted some long teardrops with blue paint for the dolphin splashes. I painted some dots with a round pointed brush just above the dolphin to create bubbles like this. Next, I painted the eyes and mouth on the dolphins with black Diamond FX paint. Now, to give the dolphin more depth, I painted near the fins and tail with black paint. I added some highlights with white tag paint. I painted my lips with Unicorn Dream Pink. You can add glitter to your lips and heart. A cute and easy dolphin design with one stroke. These are the products I used.